Alright guys, I'm back for a little update. Today is June 27th, 2019. As you can see, my hood is on. Got that from rockauto.com. It's okay for the money. I mean, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's got some waviness, like right in here and in here. They're not dense, but it's just like kind of wavy. I did get a hood hinge for this side. I got that through carparts.com. Only bad thing about that is they sent it through FedEx first, and then FedEx delivered it to the United States Postal Service. Well, the United States Postal Service lost it. I opened a claim, which they never recontacted me back about it. Luckily, my neighbors, like a block over, it was delivered to them. They were nice enough. It took about a week. They found my address. They brought it to me. So I was able to get that on there. So now the front end is pretty much lined up. I have the bumper coming in today, hopefully. But also Alright, as y'all can see, I got the bumper in. I got it in Friday instead of Thursday. That's a whole nother story, but it's here. It's on. Not looking too bad. What I do, I insert a picture of the car from what it was when we started this journey. And I'll do that right now. Alright, so now as you see where we started again, that was in March. This is now June, so roughly about 3 months. This is where we're at with it. We got pretty much the whole front end back together. Now, what I'm going to work on is getting both of the headlights, the grill, the fog lights. Then we'll have everything on the outside pretty much done. We'll just have to start working on the mechanicals, as far as like the intercooler, the air conditioning, the radiator, and then the brakes. And then everything out here will be pretty much done. Start ordering my paint and getting the car back to color. The only thing that about the bumper that I'm noticing is not fitting really well right here. I think I'm going to have to try to push that in just a little bit to get it to sit the way I want it to. But all in all, I think it's looking pretty good. You know, for all the sheet metal, you know, all of it's aftermarket. The hood's from rockauto.com. The bumper and the fender are from carparts.com. Together, they're roughly about $525 for all that I spent. All the inner structure that was all put back together, that's roughly about another little over $500. So I've got about $1,000 right now, and plus the intercooler for the hybrid part of it. My father-in-law bought that. That was roughly about another $500. So we're roughly about $1,500 in it, and we've almost got it back together. So I just want to give y'all an update, show y'all where my progress was on the car. But until my next one, y'all be good.